This is how CNN's presidential debate will work. And they're going to explain this to you. How interesting.
Viewers a sense of the rules of the debate so that when they watch it, they can understand how President Biden and President Trump will be engaging with each other.
Really, how they engage with each other? I don't think so, but we'll see.
Tomorrow night, just after 9 p.m. Eastern,
June 27th, 2024, 9 p.m.
President Biden will enter from the right side of your screen.
Did we need to know that he's going to be entering from the right side of the screen? Does it really matter? Question mark.
President Trump will enter from the left side of your screen.
This is no difference from any other presidential debate between two parties, so keep going.
The podiums are 8 feet apart.
Okay, they're 8 feet apart. That's about 2.4 meters, so okay, keep going.
Directly across from them, the moderators, CNN's Jake Tapper and Dana Bash. Now,
so we have some 50-year-olds that are doing the debate. Okay.
Now, a reminder, this is a television studio. There's no audience.
Okay, a big deal. That's a TV studio. And we're supposed to be really impressed by that?
No audience. Candidates will have 2 minutes to answer questions and 1 minute for responses and rebuttals.
That sounds typical. Okay, go on.
So how does a candidate know how much time is left to speak? Attached to the cameras in the studio and in the candidate's field of view are the timing lights. When the lights show yellow, there are 15 seconds left in a candidate's answer or response. When the lights flash red, there are 5 seconds left. And when the display is solid red, the time is up. At that point, the candidate's microphone will be turned off, and the other candidate will have their microphone turned on. My colleague, Victor Blackwell, has more on that.
Thank you, Phil. If we go behind the podiums, you can see 2 green lights. When they're on, they signal to the candidate his microphone is on. When the green lights are off, they signal to the candidate his microphone is off.
Seems like pretty simple technology to me.
Now I want to give you a sense of what it will look like for viewers at home if a candidate whose microphone is off interrupts a candidate whose microphone is on.
Oh, wow.
I'm standing at one podium, and I'll ask Phil to come in and take the other podium. And so let's say I'm answering a question. My light is green, and I'm speaking. Phil's microphone is off, and his green lights are not illuminated. He's going to interrupt me as I'm speaking, and this is what it will sound like. My volume remains
I can't hear his response.
Constant, while Phil's interruption can be difficult to understand.
Let's try the opposite. My microphone is now on.
Really? You're going to show the opposite?
Victor's microphone is off, and he's going to interrupt me. My volume remains constant, while Victor's interruption can be difficult to understand. CNN's production team has shared this demonstration with the campaigns earlier today, and we're sharing it with you, our viewers, so everyone fully understands how tomorrow night will work. Now, we should note, by agreeing to participate in this debate, both campaigns and candidates have also agreed to abide by these rules. The CNN presidential debate airs live tomorrow night at 9 p.m. Eastern.
Thank you for watching my 3-minute video. I hope you enjoyed this 3-minute video. Please leave a comment down below.